Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a recipe blog with Yumly, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To create a recipe blog with Yumly, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Yumly website. If you do not have an account, click on the sign up button. Fill in the required information to create a new account. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the interface. Look for the My Recipes section on the dashboard. Click on Create Recipe to start a new post. Enter the title of your recipe in the designated field. Provide a brief description of your dish to entice readers. Add the cooking time, prep time, and the number of servings. Next, input the ingredients required for your recipe. Make sure to list them in the order they will be used. Below the ingredients, find the Steps section to detail. Write clear, concise instructions for each step. Use bullet points for better readability if necessary. You can enhance your recipe by adding a photo of your dish. Click on the Upload button to select an image from your device. Consider adding tags related to your recipe for better visibility. Once you have filled out all fields, review your recipe for accuracy. When satisfied, locate the Publish button. Click it to make your recipe live on the Yumly platform. Post-publishing, share the link of your recipe blog on social media. Encourage friends and family to try out your recipes. Engage with comments and feedback from your readers to improve. Consistently update your blog with new recipes to keep your audience engaged. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.